Notorious B.I.G. Was this kind of like a subliminal pick of tunes that may happen in the future for the ring entrance?
Nah, this is more so, yeah, well some, but then again some that I just listen to in the car, and probably some that I won't play in the ring walk, so some that are just more personal to me.
What's the personal one? Tell us.
There was one, I think it's Rook.
Because I picture you as like Terry Crews watching and singing like,
yeah, 100%. Yeah, my pills on, my eternal pool glass. When I run, I listen to them old school tracks as well. So it's not always the grime hip hop. Sometimes I like to go back to the 70s, soul music and stuff like that. So yeah, don't be surprised. I'll throw a couple of them in their playlist as well.
That would be really, I'd love to see you singing that. When you think back to like your Olympic training and your fight at those times, are there specific songs that are always in your mind and always in your memory?
Yeah, there's one Dre President, but he's a stick man called Regiment. Gully, it's grimy, like it's just a hustler's mentality, man. And that's what it's about, so that's what it represents. Stick man called Regiment, and he's just talking about gym life. He's back on his regiment, you know, vitamins, he's bench pressing, and in 6 months he's not going to be the same man. And that's what training camp's about, you know, going through the evolution.
So something that I think everybody wants to talk about is this fight that happened, where you hurt someone really, really bad. One of I'm not joking. One of the things I've always thought about whenever I watch any kind of sport is smack talk. Because I don't like to think of myself as a, you know, an arrogant sort of braggadocious person. And I'd be quite scared to talk smack just in case I didn't win. You obviously haven't had to deal with that issue yet. But when you look back at your opponents, because Molina was talking a lot of smack, do you laugh? Like, what do you think when you look back at these things and think, he said he was going to beat me, and he definitely did not do that. Like, just, yeah, he definitely didn't do it.
Early on, I was like, you start listening because it's like an experience, so you start thinking, there was one guy, Kevin Johnson, when I thought Kevin was an American guy, he was talking the most. And I was like, he's telling me he's written a book, he's going on Amazon, and he's got the recipe how to beat me. I was like, but he handled business, and now, 3 years in the game now, I'm kind of learning that talk is cheap, but it does come with the territory as well because emotions are high. But yeah, at the end of the day, I could tell you 1,000 things, but it's about the doing. And yeah, so I've been handling business. So I realised talking is important, it's part of the game, but beating someone up and winning is the most important thing.
Can I just remind you guys, we're talking about professional boxing. Just in case you just tapped into the stream on Hypebeast, this is professional boxing that we're talking about.
Professional boxing.
Another thing I'd love to talk to you about is your technique and the way that you fight. For anyone that watched Chisora versus White, it was brilliant. But it was a very different fight to what you do and how you perform. Was there a moment in training and a moment where you were, you know, getting to do what it is you do now, where you really defined the way that you fight, whether it was the accuracy or the tactics or the technique, and what moment was that for you?
Just little things like so. Well, Chisora and Dylan White fight, great fight. That was about pride and the straight warriors coming together. Yeah, they had a slugfest. That's like a slugfest, standing on each other's chest and instead of holding each other, just battering each other. I'm sure they're sore. And they really got to recover, because internally, when you do like training camp and stuff, and then fight like that, your body is battered. But what I learned is that there's a sweet science of boxing, and the real art of it is to hit and not get hit back.
Easy to say.
It's easy to say. I sound like my coach. So it's easy to say, but you know, spending time in the gym. So I live in the gym most of the time, get a couple of weeks off, and then back on the grind. It slowly starts sinking in. So I started boxing in 2008, and I can only say I've improved little by little, but I'm starting to see it only now. And that's probably what it is, just being around coaches that I don't really have a say. So yeah, I don't control my training camp. I'm not ahead of myself. I can't tell my coach, no, I'm not doing it that way. That's bad. Even if I think it's good, I've got to accept that it's bad. And he's a perfectionist, and being around those type of people has inspired me to get myself together.
Do you reckon you could fight that way though? Now
go to war.
Now you've trained the way you have trained. Do you reckon you could hold a guy in a slug?
Yeah.
Could you?
Yeah, 100%.
Any takers? It would be interesting to see.
Yeah, 100%. But the styles of fights, Holyfield was one of my favourites because it's that type of, you can box, but if you need to go to the trenches, you know, you're going to hold it down in there as well. And that's what makes a great fighter, I think, and that's what will make Dylan Chisora. I think they're elite fighters. People class them as British fighters, British level fighters because we're in Britain. But take away Britain, they're elite fighters because they can box, they can hit and not get hit. But if they need to go to the trenches, they're able to do that as well. Yeah, man. And it's important to have that in your game.